Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your passcode style. So first, you go to settings and then you scroll down to Face ID and passcode and then enter your passcode and then you press change passcode. And then so you have to enter your old passcode, and then before you enter a new passcode, you press passcode option, and then you can choose. So you want your passcode to be alphanumeric, and then so you can also change to, so you see the options. So there is alphanumeric, numeric code, or just 4-digit code, and then just enter the new password, and then so once you're done, just press next, and then your passcode will be changed. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.